Welcome to Free Job Camp. In today's episode, let us discuss about coding and non-coding jobs. As a fresher, when you are coming to software industry, there are broadly two types of jobs. One is the coding part, the other one is the non-coding part. Let us see some of the jobs in both the categories and see which one suits best for you. So if we look at coding jobs, there are again various categories in coding jobs. Let us take web development. In web development, there is front-end development role, and then there is back-end development role, and there is a full stack role. Let me go to google.com. So whenever you visit any website in the browser, you can right click and click on view page source. So this will show the actual code behind the website. So this entire code is being shown as this Google page here. So here generally we will be having HTML, CSS, JavaScript. So all these comes under front-end development. And let's say we search for something. Now we are seeing a lot of results and we are seeing a lot of pages, right? So all this data is stored somewhere in the server. So we need to have some server and database so that this website can get data from there. So that entire part comes under backend development. And then there is full stack developer role, which is a mix of both front end and backend development. So that is one part. And there is one more category, which is mobile app development. So if you are using an Android or iPhone, you might have been using a lot of apps every day. So those entire apps are written in different languages. So that is one category. And then there is general software development, like desktop development. If you have used MS Excel, MS Word, or any other desktop application, again that involves desktop app development. So these are some of the examples of coding jobs in the software industry. Now let us look at non-coding jobs, or the jobs which involve very less coding. Okay, so we have QA engineer. This is nothing but a testing role. For example, whenever someone develops a website or a mobile app, there needs to be a testing team which we have to test the entire flow and make sure everything is working. So for this role you don't need coding at all, but you have to work with mobiles and computers. And we have SEO specialist. So when you have a website, you need to make some optimizations so that it will come first in Google or any other search engine. So that comes under SEO specialist. And we have tech support, where there will be a dedicated support team which will be helping users on how to use software. And we have data analyst, technical writer, ERP consultant, etc., etc. So all these jobs, they don't involve much of coding. So all these roles, they just involve using the existing software or customizing the existing software, etc., etc. So you don't need to worry about coding at all. So since we have these two broad categories, how do you choose whether you have to go to a coding job or a non-coding job? So it all boils down to personal preference. If you really enjoy working with the programming languages, working with operating system, getting to know about your system, or in general programming, you should go for a coding job. On the other hand, if you are not at all interested in coding and if you are less into coding, you should go for a non-coding job. So whatever jobs I have mentioned here, these are a small set of actual jobs. You can also explore various other jobs in both coding category and non-coding category, and then you can decide for yourself which suits the best. So once you choose that, then you can start your career path on choosing a particular course and then working on it. So that's it. In the next episode we'll explore more about coding jobs. We have also started Telegram and Reddit so that users can join there and discuss if they have any questions. So stay tuned.